Let's draw a face. For the first activity, using generic drawings, identify the shapes in a face: circles, squares, diamonds, rectangles, triangles, etc. How are they used to draw a unique face? Next, view the video on how to draw a face using these basic shapes. You can access the video using the QR code on this slide or by searching YouTube using the citation information at the bottom of the screen. What is the sequence of drawing a face? Draw a circle. Find the center of the circle. Bring the edges down to the chin, making an egg shape. Position it off, making multiple halves, half of this, then half of that, etc. Start with the eye, then position other parts based on eye location. Add the nose, which is the same width as space between the eyes, roughly in the middle of the face. The mouth will be below the nose, slightly the width of the eyes. Add the ears, the distance between the eyes and the bottom of the nose. Add the neck, add the cheekbone, and draw a line. Note that the video provides basic instructions. It doesn't mention actual shapes, so this video represents abstract and algorithmic instructions rather than directive instructions. The learners then draw a face that shows a motion to decipher the CT concept of decomposition and sequencing. As we learned from identifying the shapes in a generic face and from the video, a face has sequences. There are variations, but the forehead is on top, the chin is on the bottom, etc. So what does CT look like in this activity? Your problem is drawing a face. You decompose the parts of the face, such as eyes, nose, mouth, which are standard parts of a face. In the video, the artist used patterns, working in halves, and also using basic shapes. You may have noticed how the artist kept having half of this, half of that. Using an algorithm, the artist and your learners will repeat the shapes and the halves. Specific details like hair and shading were omitted, ignoring specific details because everyone's face is slightly different. Instead, the focus was on creating an outline and positioning shapes, or an abstraction.